don't you?
No. No, we don't.
You don't work together?
No.
But you were the investigating officer that came to the Broadmeadows police station to interview me, yes?
Just to corroborate the interview, yeah.
So, your brother, Court Victoria, yes?
Yep.
Is your brother and you are detective at Melbourne CAU, correct?
Yeah.
So isn't that a bit of a conflict of interest, Mr. Denerelly?
In what way?
Well, your brother used to work for the Supreme Court, correct?
Yes.
So did your brother tell you, because your brother said to me that he was a judge's assistant?
I have never spoken to my brother about you.
Now, there's $30,000 worth of checks there, isn't there?
I have no idea what you're speaking about.
You don't know, and you said on the interview, Mr. Vanelli, I think we've got to get on the same page, and I've spoken to your brother many times.
Yep.
Even the president, that piece of garbage, you know the president, Mr. Maxwell?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Well, I think he's nothing but a piece of garbage because
What are you after?
I'm after my money. Where's my fucking money?
Who do you want to speak to?
The judges of the Supreme Court, and I'm recording this conversation.
That's fine that you're...
Now listen to me. It was all a setup. Do not play games with me. You understand that?
I really don't understand what you're after.
Where is my money? You came there with Andrew White.
Yep.
You know that, don't you?
I was there with Andrew White, yeah.
Okay. I know who you are. Don't think that, you know what? Don't think that I fear you people anymore. I had enough of you people. You understand that?
What are you after from me?
I want my fucking money, 30 grand. Where's my money?
What money are you talking about?
The CEO, that piece of garbage motherfucker from the Supreme Court, David Ware, that spoke to you to fucking arrest me, and Andrew White, he said, I'll come and arrest you. Well, fucking come and arrest me.
Mr. Slaveski, I'm hanging up on you now.
Now, where's my money?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
My wife was at the Supreme Court. You fucking motherfucker. You fucking answer my calls, you fucking dog. It's okay? Hello? Andrew, how you going?
Yes, how you going?
Not bad, mate. Just trouble after trouble. Setup after setup. You know that your partner was part of that setup from the Supreme Court, don't you? What's his name? Matt. Is it Matt? Toby Denerelly.
Oh, is he?
Well, yeah, I'll tell you why. Because his brother, you know, Keir. You know Keir, don't you? His brother.
Sorry, yeah.
Keir Denerelly. Your partner's brother. He was...
No, I don't know him, no.
But he's a solicitor now, barrister.
Yep.
He used to work for the Supreme Court, Andrew. And the CEO, David Ware, that you've spoken to or emailed, yes? Then, you know, all of this came out. I mean, I told you to look into the case deeper, and we found out that it was a setup. Now, I go after anybody that sets me up and that wants to kill me, because I don't give a fuck anymore. You understand that? You know?
You need to start caring because you're getting yourself into a deeper and deeper hole. You're reaching up the court and they're continuing the harassment, and you could possibly face further charges.
Well,
I don't know how to get the message across to you. Abusing court staff about things you've done isn't the right way to go about it. As far as I can see today, you ring up asking for your checks back.
yes. Because...
In terms of police investigation, it's got nothing to do with the court.
Just a minute. Just a minute. You were told, and my wife was at the court on
Friday.
On Friday,
1st of February.
and the judges said, Mr. Vickery,
Yeah, Vickery and Lee.
you reckon that I'm getting into a deeper hole, yeah?
I think you get yourself into more trouble, yeah, by keep bringing up the court.
But what did I ring the fucking court for, man? I rang the court because the judges said to my wife, tell Mr. Slaveski to call the police and get his checks. Now, did you hear that?
Yeah, you did?
Yeah, did you record that?
No, I didn't record it.
Well, I'm recording this. Now, they're good. Now, you know about the conspiracy that your partner is into that, aren't you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear the recording, but doesn't matter, we've got a recorder too. Now, my wife went to court. I'll put my wife on now, and if you've got something against me, not as far as a police officer, something personal, do you want to fix this problem personal?
What do you mean by that? What are you implying?
Well, I'm not a kid, mate. You know, corrupted cops like you know how many I've seen, Andrew? I sued 23 of them. Maybe I should look into, just depends how your case is going. And you know that I want my money, and I say, I want my fucking money. And where is my money anyway? Because the court said, you've got the checks. Have you?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. There's no point ringing the court and asking for your money.
Well, why didn't you fucking ring me? Do you know how many times I called you? Did you hear what I said?
No, go again.
Record this. How many times did I call your office?
Well, you tell me. Yeah, you tell me or you asking me?
I'm asking you because your stupid fucking colleagues probably don't pass on the messages. But I called from a fucking mobile number. It's all recorded and the timing and everything.
Look, Mr. Slaveski, I can see we can talk it anywhere here. The checks are going to be held as an exhibit until the court case is decided with. Okay, so...
Which court? Which court? Which court?
When you get charges and you go to court, or if the Attorney General decides not to charge you or to charge you, then we'll decide what to do with you.
Nah, you give me my fucking money today, mate. You understand that?
Unfortunately, you'll get your money today.
Listen, you piece of shit, you motherfucker. Did you hear? Record that. Where's my fucking money? The judge is fucking... Listen, you piece of fucking shit. I want my fucking money. The judge has said to my wife, call the police and get your fucking money. She's here. Listen, tell him, man. You there, Andrew? Yeah, well, why are you guys playing games? You fucking motherfucker. I'm talking now. You talk to the piece of shit. You there? Well, why are you guys playing games with him? Where the money, the $30,000?
Look, you got to explain to him. It's an allegation now that it's a contempt of court charge. That's being decided whether it's going to be prosecuted against.
What contempt of court? He already got charged with contempt of
You
court.
can't send blank checks to the court.
They were not blank checks, Andrew. They were checks addressed to the
You're
judges.
right, they were checks, but you didn't put any correspondence in them. You didn't put your name.
Mate, he has mental issues. We were rushing to go overseas. Big deal. He didn't put his name down. I write to the court after a month. I told them 10 times those money are for security. And you know what the court did? They were playing games with me for a few months. And on Friday, I went to court. I already put an affidavit and explanation for the money months ago. And the judge says to me, oh, we don't have your money. Ask the police. We call them today to see which police. Listen, you piece of shit. You get involved personally. I get involved personally with you. You understand that? Fuck you. You speak to my wife.
What I'm trying to explain to you today is that no point ringing the court because we've got the money, okay, as an exhibit.
Yeah, but mate, you know how many messages I left you and my husband left you? Why don't you bother calling us and telling this?
Because I've already explained it to you a few times.
Well, no, you haven't. You've never spoken to me about the money.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't. When?
Yes, on a few different occasions.
No, you've never spoken to me, mate.
Well, because one of the reasons is that you're not willing to listen to an explanation. I'm trying to explain to you.
Yeah, what's the explanation?
It's a matter that's pending the investigation. Okay. Doesn't mean he's going to be charged yet. It's still pending.
Pending. Okay, can I just ask you, did you do an investigation?
To the checks.
No, okay.
Spent.
What?
They're not being spent. The checks are
Oh, they better not be spent. You know why? Because somebody worked hard for those money, mate. They are after that 30 fuck. Tell him about the 38 caliber. Did they fucking investigate? Tell him. Fucking no. You there, Andrew? Yeah. Have you no, leave the explanation. Have you investigated when my husband got threatened inside court, in the Court of Appeal, the so-called High Court in Victoria, that he needs a 38 caliber ventilation? Have you done something about that?
Look, I've got to go, but
Oh, so you don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that. You fucking hear it, you piece of shit, you fucking motherfucker. You fucking hear that, you know? Yeah, I'm here.
what's going on in the background there?
Well, he's hearing your conversation and he's getting annoyed because you don't wanna investigate when he gets threatened, but you are alleging, you are creating a charge for him to get charged. You see?
I can't investigate that. You've got to go to him,
To who?
standards to him.
We did. We spoke to Trevor Lockwood. He reported this threat months ago. What have the police done about it? Nothing.
Well, then surely you've got to speak to Trevor Lockwood and find out what's happening with that case.
Mate, this is all run around like usual, you know. I don't believe in the system anyway, you know. And I know you're recording because we can hear your recorder before it was so obvious, but just tell us, advise us that you're recording. I've got nothing to hide what I'm saying.
I'm recording.
Yeah.
I'll put you on speaker.
Yeah, good.
So people can hear how silly you sound.
I sound silly. I think
Husband certainly does.
I think that you sound silly.
Well, I haven't sworn once, and I haven't used abusive language once.
Oh yeah, because you know how to cover up. You see, you are experienced of that. Oh, do you? Well, I know how to talk as well. Justice Vickery and Justice Neef told me
You want to
personally.
hear about what's happening with your checks, Lloyd?
Yeah, they told me personally on Friday
Excuse me.
to ask the checks from you. So where are the checks?
Well, I'll explain it to you again. I have the checks here.
Yep.
They're an exhibit in a matter that's still an ongoing investigation.
So how long is that gonna be?
It's how long it takes.
Well, how long does it take?
Time.
Well, what is this, a murder or something? You can't give me time. You've had the checks for months.
To the court with no correspondence, with no name on it.
Mate, what?
There's a lot of suspicion.
Yeah, but you know what's the suspicion? That's what I don't understand. Before the checks were written, Luke Virgona, record this now, Luke Virgona from the registry.
Because you seem to be struggling. Your husband is accused on a number of different occasions that the court is corrupt. He then sends the checks individually
Yeah.
to the amount of $30,000
Yep.
with no correspondence or anything to the court.
Yep.
Now, any reasonable person would see that as a stunt to try and demonstrate that the court is corrupt.
No, don't be silly. Who thought of that? You know why is this done? I'll tell you why is it done. Because he complained to the Attorney General for the threat, and the Attorney General sends a summons to declare him vexatious. How more corruption can that be? Come on, you tell me. I've written to the court months ago.
Your husband's right.
No, I'm talking about me, man. I've written to the court about these checks. Did the court write to me? I was his litigation guardian.
What I had to do is need know where the checks are, so if you need to further updates, you can call me and I'll give you further updates on what the matter specific.
So you are saying that you are going to keep the checks for the time being?
They're going to be held on as exhibits.
Well, I need the money.
Alright,